Now let us discuss the concept of linear equation in one variable. An equation is a linear equation if it is of degree 1, that means all the terms are of degree 1 or less than 1. No term in the equation should be of degree more than 1, then it is said to be a linear equation. And if the linear equation has only one variable, it is said to be a linear equation in one variable. For example, if I write 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. Now this equation is a linear equation because this term is of degree 1, this term is of degree 1, this term is of degree 0. That means all the terms are of degree 1 or less than 1, and we have an equal to sign, so it is an equation. Now it is a linear equation, but it has two unknowns, that is x and y. So it is a linear equation in two variables, but not a linear equation in one variable. Whereas if I write 3x plus 5 is equal to 0, now this is a linear equation in one variable because it has all the terms are, this is of degree 1, this is of degree 0, this is again of degree 0. That means all the terms are of degree 1 or less than 1, and we have an equal to sign, and we have only one unknown, that is x. So it is a linear equation in one variable. So whenever we have an linear equation and if it has only one variable, then it will satisfy the concept of linear equation in one variable. The standard form is ax plus b is equal to 0. That means we should have a term with unknown, and we should have a constant, and we should have an equal to sign. So this is the standard form of linear equation in one variable. Now when the standard form is ax plus b is equal to 0, and if I want to find the solution of this linear equation, it will be that value of x which satisfies the equation. For example, if I take ax plus b as it is the standard form, so if I try to find the value of x, it will be ax will be equal to minus b, or x will be equal to minus b by a. So x is equal to minus b by a is the solution of the linear equation in one variable. For example, if I have an equation 3x plus 5 is equal to 0, and I want to find the solution of this linear equation, I will compare it with the standard form. So a will be equal to 3, b will be equal to 5, so x will be equal to minus b by a, that is minus 5 by 3. So x is equal to minus 5 by 3 is a solution of this linear equation, or we can say a linear equation in one variable. So to sum up, I would say that a linear equation is an equation of degree 1, and it should have only one unknown quantity, that means only one variable. As in the first case, we have two variables x and y, both are unknown in the equation, so it is a linear equation in two variables. But in the second case, it is a linear equation in one variable, and the standard form of the linear equation is ax plus b is equal to 0. So if ax plus b is equal to 0 is the standard form where a cannot be equal to 0 and a and b are real numbers. So we can say a linear equation in the standard form is ax plus b is equal to 0 where a is not equal to 0. And if I want to find the solution of a linear equation, then I will get x is equal to minus b by a. So I have tried to find the solution of the equation 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. So on comparing it with the standard form, I found that a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 5. Now what I have done, I have substituted the value of a and b in the solution, that is x is equal to minus b by a. So I have substituted the value of b and a, it is minus 5 by 3. So x is equal to minus 5 by 3 is the solution of this linear equation. So this is how we can find the solution of a linear equation. Now let us try to apply the concept of linear equation in one variable. We are given certain statements and we have to identify whether they are linear equations in one variable or not. Let the statements be 3x plus 2y plus 9 is equal to 0, 3x plus 5, 4x plus 3 plus 3y is equal to 0. Then we have a statement 4x plus 8 is equal to 0. Then I have 9x minus 5 is equal to 0. So these are the certain statements that have been given to us, and we have to identify out of all these which are the linear equations in one variable. So when we take the case of first statement, that is 3x plus 2y is equal to 9 plus 9 is equal to 0, and we have to analyze whether it is a linear equation in one variable or not. We can see that the first term is of degree 1, this term is of degree 1, this term is of degree 0. So it is a linear equation because all the terms are of degree 1 or less than 1, and it has an equal to sign, so it is a linear equation. But it has two unknown, that is x and y, so it is not a linear equation. Linear equation in one variable. So it is not, answer is no. So in the first case, it is not a linear equation in one variable because it has two unknown quantities x and y. Now let us take the second case. We have been given a statement 3x plus 5, and we have to analyze whether it is a linear equation in one variable or not. So we will see that it is not an equation. At the first hand, we know that as there is no equal to sign in this statement, so it is not a linear equation. So it is basically not an equation. So there is no need to check for the other things. So we can say it is not, the answer will be no, it is not a linear equation in one variable. Now for the third case, we have the first term is of degree 1, second term is of degree 0, third term is again of degree 1. As we have all the terms in which the degree is 1 or less than 1, and moreover we have an equal to sign, so it is a linear equation. But it has two unknown x and y, so it is not a linear equation in one variable. So third is also no. For the third statement, again the answer is no, because it is a linear equation in two variables. Now let us take the fourth case. We have 4x plus 8 is equal to 0. Now 4x is of degree 1, 8 is of degree 0, so, and it is a linear, it is an equation because it has an equal to sign. Now we can see that it is a linear equation because all the terms are of degree 1 or less than 1, and we have an equal to sign, so it is a linear equation. Moreover, it has only one unknown, that is x, so it is an example of linear equation in one variable. So the answer will be yes. Yes, it is an example of a linear equation in one variable. Now let us take the last case. In this it is of degree 1, it is of degree 0, and it has an equal to sign. So it is a linear equation because it has an equal to sign, it is an equation. All the terms are of degree 1 and less than 1, so it is a linear equation. But now we see that there is only one unknown, that is x. So we can say this also satisfies all the conditions for a linear equation in one variable. So hence we can say that it is also an example of linear equation in one variable. So the first, second, third are not the examples of linear equation in one variable. Moreover, fourth and fifth are the examples of linear equation in one variable. Now let us try to find the solutions of the linear equations in one variable. We see that 4x plus 8 is equal to 4x plus 8, this is equal to 0, and we want to find the solution of the linear equation, that is that value of x for which the expression, that value of x which satisfies the equation. So we will compare it with the standard form, that is ax plus b is equal to 0. Here a is 4 and b is equal to 8. So x is equal to minus b by a. We know that the solution is minus b by a. So it will be, substituting the value of a and b, it will be minus 8 by 4, and when it will cancel out, so x is equal to minus 2 is the solution of this equation, that is the fourth equation. Similarly, we can find the solution of the fifth equation, that is 9x minus 5 is equal to 0. Here a, when I am comparing it with the standard form, that is ax plus b, I get a as 9 and b as minus 5. So x is equal to minus b by a, minus 9 by minus 5, it will cancel out. So the answer will be 9 by 5. So x is equal to 9 by 5 is the solution of the linear equation. So this is how we can find the solution of the linear equations, by comparing them with the standard form and finding the value of a and b. Then we know that the solution of the equation is x is equal to minus b by a. I have substituted the value of b and a from the equation and I have tried to find the solution. So in the fourth case the solution was minus 2 and in the fifth case the solution was 9 by 5. So this is how we can apply the concept of linear equation in one variable.